So in today's video I'm going to be discussing or just let you guys in on the extension of the program. So in one of my previous videos I actually spoke to you guys about the ALX software engineering program, and that it's something that is completely free. What is awesome is that they've actually extended the deadline to take in new candidates, and also instead of just the software engineering one. So as an example, if you're looking here, software engineering, it's 12 months, it's full-time, application deadline's the 8th of May. Instead of just that, they've actually started offering additional ones. So there's the AWS Cloud Practitioner. It's a 7-month course, it's full-time. There's the Data Analytics 6 months full-time course, Data Science 6 months, it's 14 months full-time course. Salesforce Administrator 7 months full-time course. Software Engineering one 12 months full-time, right? And these courses are absolutely free. However, you need to go through a slight process, so a bit of a process, and I'm actually going to show you guys what you need to do in order to get started with it. And I'm also going to leave a link to the actual application on I will leave it in the description below, so you guys can actually go ahead and get started with it. What's awesome about that is that you'll actually for the time that you spend for just wanting to partake in it, you can actually get a voucher from them. So they've basically just been awarding new candidates with these vouchers that you can use. I know it can be used for different things. Let me just quickly see if I can open it up. Just gonna wait for it to open up. So yeah, as you can see, because I'm part of the program, I'm also one of the sharing partners. So okay, so our programs are designed to prepare you for a career in the world's fastest growing industries. Our partnership with Mastercard Foundation allows us to offer eligible candidates access to world-class program training at no cost. This means that you have the opportunity to enroll in any of these courses for Mahala, which is completely free. So the following courses or programs are now open: AWS Cloud Practitioner, Data Analytics, Data Science, Salesforce and Administration. Then also you'll still be able to take advantage of the software engineering one. Please note that this over here, it's only for certain, this is mainly for the Salesforce admin where this is applicable, but all of these are remote, so you can actually do the courses remotely. You don't need to be there physically in order to do that. So it can be done online, and it's a simple process that you'll need to follow. You'll basically just let me quickly see, you actually just complete this form over here. They'll then provide you they'll then give you an update or feedback within a couple of days of whether you have been accepted, and then basically you'll then get the information on when the course starts from there. So let's quickly just go into this video over here.
I wanted to find like-minded young people. I saw the program, I saw the content, and I knew this was it. I just knew something good is going to come out of this.
There's no big problem in the world, you just have to address it.
It's shaped everything that I am at the moment.
And you can't know everything, so you need to learn.
Africa's greatest resource is youth. It's not our gold, it's not our diamonds, it's not our minerals, it's not our oil. It's the young people that we have.
By 2030, Africa will have a larger workforce than China, and by 2050, they'll have the largest workforce in the world. 1 billion people will need jobs in Africa.
But yet today, the vehicles that are used for unlocking the potential of young people are broken. Most universities do not prepare you for employment. They don't prepare you to get your own employment as an entrepreneur.
There's always that fear that what if I make this decision now and it wasn't the right decision?
Always believe in yourself, in the potential that is in you. You may fail to see you, and they may not even see what you're doing, but keep moving.
ALX gets job ready. What gets you to be able to create your own job as an entrepreneur. It is something more akin to what I'd say a career accelerator. And what ALX is a mix of skills, networks, and career preparation. It is not a place where you get a certificate or where you come and get facts and figures.
I've had to come in like with an empty cup.
I think it's just like learn from whatever it is that you have sent out and then improve on what you have.
Because of the hard training that you've gone through and the way the program is structured, everything becomes just pretty much easy for you.
You need to find someone who has potential, and potential goes beyond academics. Potential includes things like your courage, passion, your resilience, your imagination, and your values. And we need to find people who have that potential.
Courage is doing something you believe in, right? In spite of fears.
You know, you can meet people who are making dreams come true, doing impossible things.
People who are terrified and afraid, but are also willing to take the step, just being bold and going into uncharted waters, just testing things out.
And so the question that I ask young people is, are you going to take this opportunity that's sitting in front of you, or will you just continue doing things the traditional way? Today, there's never been more opportunity for young Africans to access the most incredible careers. And all you have to do is get skills. All you have to do is, develop yourself and invest in yourself and capture opportunities like ALX when they present it to you.
You don't want to stagnate and just be a common person, an average person. So always try level up every time.
And so the question is, how much are you willing to sacrifice to be different, to stand out, to open up incredible opportunities? And this is our story.
Okay, so that was basically just to give you guys an idea about the ALX program and also how you can get started. Just on another note, what was mentioned there was also the fact that like he mentioned, it is completely free. You'll get job ready, but you will actually be awarded a certificate at the end of it. So you'll actually get a certificate that you can present to show that you've gone through this course, that you've done what is needed, and that you have a full understanding of what is required of you. So guys, I'm going to be leaving a link to this in the description below, and also when you do sign up using this particular link, you'll get access to all of it. But also you'll actually get you'll get a voucher to a certain value. I know that it ranges from $250 to $500, and it's vouchers that can be used for different things. So you guys can go ahead and take advantage of it, and guys, you have absolutely nothing to lose. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much once more for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and keep an eye out for more videos. I'm going to be posting a couple of videos when I do get some more time, but furthermore, enjoy and keep well.